is what I always say. Obugambi comes from anywhere. Especially, let me just talk about our women, our ladies. We have the ability to lead and to lead with integrity and character and actually produce. If you look at the population of, especially the family structures, Gusiiland, just in Kenya alone, who are heading those? They are women. They are the ones who are making sure that the children go to school. They're the ones who are making sure that the sick are being taken care of. They're the ones who go to Shamba. They're the ones who do all of these things. Why not Obugambi? Right? Because you want to elect somebody who can relate to you. You know, we have leaders in positions who cannot even think, this mama selling greens here, this is our issue. You know, even an experience you know that the beauty of American politics is this. An average person can get elected. Look at me. Of all the people, it's not like I had influence or anything like that. It's because I saw there was a gap of representation in my district. You know, and especially in our community that I represent is predominantly African immigrants. And so when it comes to Kenya, and especially in Gusiiland, it's a shame that we don't have an MP elected, not nominated, elected into parliament. It's not that we don't have leaders. We have amazing women who are ready to step up into those positions. The issue is this: has the environment been created for them? My brothers, have you guys creating a space where women can actually come and bring their authentic self, not go through all of these headaches, the disrespect? I've had many conversations with ladies who want to join politics, but they say, "Yani, by the time I'm done, and we all know what those challenges are, especially being a woman, right? And so my challenge is this: if we are really serious about women empowerment, I know that we love our boys and the boy child. We need to make sure that they're also taken care of. What are we truly? Are we investing? Are we creating those environments for these women to come in and they don't have to compromise themselves? Because once a woman compromises herself, guess what? When that opportunity comes, right? And why does she have to do that? So I am trusting that as we continue to grow, and hopefully my story will be a testament that our women here in Gusii are ready to lead. It's just about time that they are given the opportunity to do so. Even the process of being, in a party and then being maybe nominated, whatever the case might be, Koikagabu, my friend, is hard. And I pray that that environment will be created for our women to thrive.